Tommy just called me and he told me, oh, finally you wake up. I don't watch Michelle Fan anymore because
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
hello, good morning. Good morning, guys. The whole night, the light outside, I turned it on. I was thinking, I'm not gonna shut that light off. I want light in our porch, like in our front house. Anyway, guys, good morning. I was just like in my phone. I'm really happy that even though my phone died, I have another one. But still, I miss my phone. And this one is really nice. It's lighter. I told Tommy, Han, I don't really care if I don't have a phone. As long as my laptop works and my camera works, I'm good. Since December 1, well, actually, since November, the last week of November, I've been doing vlogging every day. Until now, I am, guys. I'm so happy. Anyway, guys, today is Sunday. Oh, last night, this is what I made, guys. I told you I made a lot. Well, I make extra. The bagoong with tomato, and I don't have an onion, so I use garlic. I like onion with that, but I use garlic instead. So I'm making pancake. I made 2 pancake right here. And then get ready because I'm going to film today. And what do I need? I need a freaking sugar. I hope this milk is still good. It's expired. Wow, it's been a long time. Oh my god. Let me see. Okay. Okay, it's still good because usually when it's bad, you see some bulky in there. Nutella brownies is yummers, guys. So good. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna have my breakfast. I will see you later. Bon appetit. I hope I'm not gonna do kalibanga in this ko. What? Kalibanga style because of this milk. I hope not. Hello guys, I've just done my breakfast. I'm just going to open this window. I'm gonna go upstairs and get ready, put some tops for filming. And yeah, the snow is melting slowly but surely. I can only start filming up there in my filming room when I have a table. But for now, I don't have that. Let me see my phone. Anyway, my iPhone. I bring my iPhone here. I don't touch it. Tommy told me we have to wait until this no battery. But let's see. Look, I have it here. Oh, it still have battery. Do you see that? Still have that icon stuff. But ang ngit-ngit naman. Okay, let's go upstairs. Bring the phone. Ay, gee. Look at the snow, guys. It's really too much. Look how snowy is that, even in my thing here. Look how thick. Did you see how thick is that? That's how thick the snow is over here. So thicky. Mahirap pala mag-makeup ng walang mata. Sobrang hirap. So ito yung mukha ko, guys. Mukhang katawa-tawa. So now, what I'm going to do is change my attire. Istorya bayan sa nakaraan, bayan sa kagahapon. I'm gonna get rid of this makeup look. Anyway, guys, if you haven't seen that video yet, no eyes, close eyes makeup challenge with Mild Tombongera collaboration. Tommy just called me and he told me, oh, finally you wake up. It's 9 o'clock already. You wake up. And I told him, are you crazy? I've been waiting your call. You should be calling me. You're the one who always first call me. Yeah. I'm just going to tie my hair that it won't go everywhere. And this kind of tela, itong tela na to guys, this kind of fabric, in this weather, it's kind of freezing. Because satin, is that how you call it? Satin? Satin. 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 Paakin nyo yung dila nyo. Satin. So, take off the makeup. This is what my freeze foaming cleanser Neutrogena. At saka itong material na ito is from CVS. I get this long time ago. It's the CVS self foaming facial pads right here, right there. Look, did you see that dirty? I cleaned my face already, okay? I cleaned it with the wipes, but it's still very dirty. Ay, magre-ready lang ako guys ha. Kasi I'm going to film something different. Hi guys, I'm done filming. Masakit na yung ulo ko guys. Tapos na yung story time ko. Oh my god, this is scary. A bull fight. The bull just keep jumping like this. And then saka merong tao sa taas sa yung hayop na. Yung hayop palaging ganito. Naka-igwad-igwad palagi. At saka yung taong nakasakay. Parang bull riding, something, I don't know. They called it sports. I think this is harassing the animals. Did you see that? They said it's a sports, but it's a cowboy, but it's not a freaking sports. It's like torturing the animals, period. You think the animals know that it's a sports? That's why they're there. That's why they're acting like, doing like that, because they don't like what they're doing. It's like, you know, the animals freaking out. That's why. And that's not really good. Now I'm murmuring and ranting. Whew, hindi ko gusto yung mga ganyan do. Yung mga may yung may mga animals involved. Magluluto lang ako guys. Ipiprito ko lang to. Yung salmon. Iprito ko to. I noticed baking salmon make the salmon not juicy. But prituing, like frying it. Frying it, it's really moist and it's so different from baking. You bake it's different. And this one guys, I seasoned it with this one, the calamansi, this one, and salt and pepper, and then garlic powder. Tomorrow, what I'm going to do is cook the broccoli rub. Here guys, it's cooked. I like it when it's like dark because it's crunchy. But this is my plate. I'm almost finished. It's very moist inside. Hi guys, I've been cutting broccoli rub, so now I wash it. I washed them. I got some 2 bunches of four bunches of broccoli rub. I wash it here and just rinse it right here. And of course, to go with that is garlic, so I'm peeling all the garlics right now. And yeah, you can put a lot of garlics if you want. I'm filming guys how I make my broccoli rub. So filming the filming. Filming the filming, it's right there. And I'm gonna add this onion, red pepper, and garlic, all garlic powder and onion powder. I'm done editing. I put the laptop here. Now it's transferring from Final Cut Pro. Look at my position yet. Tingnan niyo yung position ko. So quiet right now. Just watching Practical Joker again. Position ko at saka nangangatol ako. Nangangatol yung paa ko, guys. Nangangatol. Right now, the thing is transferring and making noises. That means it need to be get out from this pillow to release all the wind, the heat. And I'm going to charge it also. I wish I won't drop my laptop because this is my baby. I can't edit without my laptop, and this laptop I love so much because it's very... There is a term of that one. I don't get a term again. I just took my makeup off and then I put the mascara on. This one, guys. I don't know if it'll focus. Finally it focused. And that's the top one. Okay. Focus! I get this mascara when I first ever saw Michelle Fan using this one, and I got it. And I think this one is cost like 20 something bucks or 30 bucks. I got it anyway because it's Michelle Fan and I don't have a mask. I don't watch Michelle Fan anymore because she kinda don't upload often. Maybe she's busy of her businesses, so I haven't really watched her and I haven't really seen any video updated about her life. I am looking for Pond's Pearl Cream. You guys know that I've been using that. I'm gonna go back of using that because I have tons of in my file. I got it from the last time I went back to the Philippines. I get few of that and I need to use this one again. The strips. Oh, it's right here. This is the one that I've been using for a long time, that my face is ridiculously... I'm not bragging. My face was very smooth and no whatever, like when I stopped this one, guys, and I've been using this forever, and I stopped this few years ago. I think 2 years ago I stopped using this one, and that one right there, and that's where I stopped. And I'm gonna go back and use it. Pond's White Beauty Pearl Cream. Doesn't make my face white, of course, but it makes my face smooth and nice, and it's not too, you know what I mean. And then I stop, and then I stop using it one, and now it's kind of like I can see the difference, guys. When you're in person, and then you see my face, it is really different from the video because this camera makes everything kind of like smooth. It's not smooth, it's matte. I put this camera right here. I still have to edit the videos of what I did. Yeah, I have to edit a lot. I put that right here. Dapat na akong mag-diet at saka mag-exercise. Kasi tumambok na ako. I really need to do this exercising back. I love doing exercise before, and now suddenly I just stop it. I know I haven't vlogging when I do exercise though. I don't start vlogging that time, but I like it. But I don't know, lazy, and even though it's 30 minutes a day, it's not bad. But time check, guys, it's 6:36 in the evening. I had my dinner. I had rice as usual, salmon at saka broccoli rub. It is 9:16 in the evening. I'm trying to go to sleep, but I've been just watching this show. And nagnanamb yung mga paa ko, guys. Dapat na talaga mag-walking at saka mag-exercise kasi wala ako masyadong ginagawa. And just like filming, editing, so I have to make a time for exercising also because I notice my legs, my foot get numb. It bothers me and I need to do something about it. Anyway, guys, Tommy just called me and he's on the way home. And bakit parang may pumapaak sa akin, pumapaak talaga. May bumabait. May bumabait. Ano ba to? Dalawa yung ganito ko, guys. Slumdog Millionaire. Dalawa. Whatever. Anyway guys, I'm going to end this vlog. And thank you guys so much for watching all the time. I really do appreciate it. And, yeah. Anyway guys, good night. Dapat matulog na ko and kill this TV. Because if the TV is the show is interesting and just keep playing, I just keep watching it. Anyway guys, good night. See you tomorrow. See you in my next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. He can just kill me over there and stab me or something. You know, I don't even think about that. I just lie down there and then he's not gonna touch me. He's not gonna kill me.